Okay, so today I'm going to describe how to make a monthly budget in Google Sheets. So you can go, when you log into Google, you can go to Sheets and they have a template and it looks like this. I have already changed a couple things, so it's going to have a number here. You're going to want to change that to 0. You're going to want to change all these to whatever you use. So I have food, rent, utilities, cell phone, transportation, insurance, clothing, household supplies, entertainment. Then you have savings and paychecks, and you also have this transaction where it's going to be your expenses and you can log them there. So for the paycheck, since I live with my parents and I'm on financial aid, we are going to put $1,500. I do have $5,000 in my savings, so we're going to put that. Food, my parents genuinely pay for my food, so I'm gonna put $100 a month. I don't pay rent and I don't pay utilities. I paid $25 for my cell phone. Transportation, let's see, I probably pay $100 in gas a month. Insurance, I don't pay for insurance. Clothing, let's do $100 a month. Household supplies, I don't pay for that either. Entertainment, we're gonna do another $100 a month. That includes like going to the movies. I'm gonna include eating out in that and other things. So you can come here to your expenses. You can add a date. Let's just do February 20th, 2022. The amount. Say I spent $100 on food, or I spent $40 on food, and then we can do the drop down box and do food. And when you come back to the summary tab, it'll update it as your actual. I'll give you how much you have left that you're able to stay in budget with. And that is how you make a budget.